everyone. So I have put my phone into a lens looking into a microscope. The first slide we're going to look at is the leg of a housefly. So I deliberately did not put it in focus right now, so you're not going to get the first sight of a big hairy leg, but it's coming. I'm going to now shift the image, getting it into view, and here you can see the leg of a housefly. Now I put this on 4 times enhanced. Let's see what happened when I switch it over to 10 times. Get that a focus. So I need to adjust a little bit up. There we go. Now we can see even more detail of this leg. So a microscope, you can look at things in much more detailed picture than you can with your eyes. Now let's see what happens when we look at the small intestine. Let's take it back to 4 times. And let's shift it a little bit so you can look. So you're going to see there's different types of cells throughout this slide. It's the thin cross cut of the small intestine. You see how it looks like they have these deep valleys at the end, like in the middle. As we move this around, you're going to see there's like a big space in the middle, and that's your small intestines. That is where all your food and liquids is going through. Now let's see if we can take this up to 40 times bigger. And I need to refocus so I can find, there we go. And now we can look even more detailed picture of the small intestine. Now let's move on to another slide. I have here a pollen carrying leg of a honeybee. So let's take that back to 4 times bigger. And let's get this in view. There we go. So I am assuming that those yellow spots are going to be your pollen. Let's go over that spot and go to 40 times bigger. Let's see what we can find. We need to refocus. Oh my God. I believe that is pollen. Things you can see with a microscope, it is just amazing. Now let's move over to plant cell, pine young stemnet cone. And then we need to take it back to 4 times bigger. And let's get in into view here. So this thin cross cut of a plant, and you can see as we move over here, there's going to be a lot of different types of cells, and it's going to be arranged. Do you see here? There's like this very fine arranged system that plants have. Let's zoom in on this. And we need to refocus. Now you can see much more detail. We can look at the different parts in each cell. And now I save this for last. This is human blood. Let's put this in here. Put it back to 4 times bigger, and see. So all of this is blood cells. Let's make it a little bit bigger. And we need to refocus a little bit. You see all those tiny dots? Those are human blood cells. It's pretty amazing. Let's see if we can go over to the biggest. There we go. Now we can see them even better, and you can see that some of them are dark and some of them are not, and because we do have different types of blood cells. So this was a little quick go through on what we can use a microscope for. I hope you enjoyed this and was not too much grossed out by some of the slides.